Welcome to this important training on preventing allergen cross-contact. Every food service worker plays a key role in protecting guests with food allergies. Communication is your key weapon in preventing allergenic reactions. Every staff member, from the kitchen to the front of house, must understand why these procedures are in place. Don't forget new and temporary staff. They often become the weak link when they're not properly trained in allergy awareness and safe communication procedures. Use team briefings to discuss menu or ingredient changes. Everyone should know how to communicate allergy information clearly to both customers and kitchen staff. Each recipe must be written down and consistent. Even small ingredient changes, like swapping almond powder for mixed nut powder, can lead to tragedy. Use a central recipe system or digital log. Record all ingredients, preferred brands, and any hidden allergens. Keep this reference accessible to chefs and servers. When adapting recipes for allergy sufferers, keep it simple. Offer safe substitutions like gluten-free buns or sauces, but always double-check for hidden allergens. Only use trusted suppliers who provide detailed ingredient information. If a delivery arrives without a label or appears contaminated, refuse it immediately. Store allergenic foods in clearly labeled, dedicated containers. Use separate scoops and place allergenic products on lower shelves to prevent cross-contact. If you remove food from its original packaging, clearly label each container with any allergenic ingredients before discarding the wrapper. Reducing allergen risks comes down to common sense, communication, and consistency. Every system you put in place protects someone's life. Continue your training and certification with our online courses. Together we can make every meal safe for every guest.